This is one of Ghanaian's dipping sauce, and I'm here to share the recipe with you. Nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome. So we do easy and healthy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my eggplant or garden eggs, anyhow you call it. Okay, so that is my ntrowa, ntrowa, anyhow you call it. I'll wash it very well. I have washed it already and now it is in the water. I will just go ahead and then cut it into the sizes that I want, okay, so that we can just continue with the next process. So I am done cutting everything. I have with me here my yam. So this is how the yam looks. Okay, this is Ghana yam. This is how it looks. It is so good. And I peel off the skin, cut them into the preferable sizes, and then wash it very well. After washing it, I have it now in my cooking pot. I've added the eggplant, added my carrots, my pepper. You can omit the carrots, but I always have carrots in my food every blessed day. Okay, I find a way of adding carrots to my recipes. Now I added some salt, I added my eggs, I've covered it very well. Now it is on fire. So in my cooking pot, I added some salted fish, that is momone. It is salty and it was fermented. Okay, I added some oil and that is also on fire. Now our food is ready and I have strained the water from it. That is what you saw earlier, and then we will discard the water. Okay, now the ingredient that we added to it is what we are grinding. I grinded the pepper, added some onions, and now I'm grinding every other ingredients. Then we are good to go. With the original recipe, we do not add carrot, but as I told you earlier, I always find a way of adding carrot to every food that we prepare in this house. Now our other ingredients are also ready. The momone, onions, and the oil is also ready. I'll go ahead and add some tomatoes to it. Let it be on fire for some few minutes, and after some few minutes we will just check on the other ingredient we grinded. Now I've added some fish to it. I will just grind it very well, as you can see on the screen. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We do short videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram as well. Now the stew is ready. I mean, the one we placed on fire is ready, and I'm just going to add it to the one we grinded. And just look at that, it looks so delicious already. This was very delicious. Okay, so because of the momone, I did not add any salt to my ingredient that we grinded, and just look at that, so delicious. So we are going to pair it with our yam, and you can as well pair it with your plantains, cocoa yam, anything of your choice. We can't enjoy this without our eggs. It means I'm not a Ghanaian. And my avocado. So I've added that to it, and some fish with some onions, and this was so delicious. Just open your mouth and let me feed you. Just look at that. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not hesitate to take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.